for today's video, I will be teaching you how to import Google Contacts on any iPhone. Before anything, make sure to subscribe on our channel. As you can see on your screen, in order for you to import Google Contacts on your phone, what you have to do is tap Contacts and then tap Add Account. Here you have to press Google and then log in into your regular Google account. To give you a clearer visualization, open Settings on your phone and then scroll down until you see the Contacts icon or Contacts button. This button is just below Mail and just above Calendar. Once you've pressed the Contacts icon, you'll see here the Accounts option or button. Press this and then press Add Account. Here, you'll see different types of account you can add, and what you have to do is press Google. This will allow you to add a Google account into your contacts. Now, just enter the email and the password of the Google account that you want to connect to your phone and your contacts. And that's all you have to do to connect or sync your Google Contacts into your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe. We hope to see you again on our next videos.